Welcome. Here is how you can apply conditional logic to status columns through Conditional Status Smart Column. App Features. Activate a trigger to check if the added column matches the conditional status value before changing the status of your target board. For example, the status column Task B cannot be changed to working on it until the Task A column status is marked as completed. Setup instructions. First, go to the status column. Then, click the three dots next to the column. After that, select Column Extension. Next, click Conditional Status Column. In the setting box, set up the columns and triggers. Now, select the status column label on which you want to set the condition, for instance, working on it. Finally, select the trigger that changes the status label. The options are: someone is not assigned, if the current status value is not something, or when columns are empty. Example setup. Select the status column label, working on it as the condition label, then choose if the current task value is not completed as the trigger method. Click Save. And don't forget to refresh the page. Result. Now, when you change the Task B status value to working on it, it first checks the condition of the status column Task A. If it meets the condition, which is completed, it allows changing the status of Task B to working on it. But if Task A has any other value than completed, it resets the value of Task B to its original state. Get it now on Monday App Marketplace.